Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy for BSc nursing. First, begin by understanding the fundamental concepts of human anatomy. This involves grasping the basic organization of the body, including its systems and major organs. Next, establish a consistent study routine, dedicating at least 2 hours daily to anatomy. Utilize a variety of resources, such as textbooks and online platforms, to gain a comprehensive perspective. Finally, always aim to connect theoretical knowledge with practical applications, which significantly enhances your learning and recall. To master anatomy, employ active recall techniques like flashcards and self-quizzing. This method significantly boosts memory retention. Visual learning is also key, so make extensive use of diagrams, anatomical models, and even drawing structures yourself. Consider joining a study group to discuss challenging topics and gain different perspectives. Consistent, spaced repetition of material, perhaps 3 times a week, will solidify your understanding and prevent information overload, making complex topics much more manageable over time. Leverage a range of essential resources to excel in anatomy. Your primary textbook will offer foundational knowledge and detailed explanations. Supplement this with online platforms that provide interactive quizzes and 3-dimensional models, allowing you to explore structures virtually. An anatomy atlas is indispensable for visual identification, helping you recognize structures accurately. If available, participate in dissection labs or virtual dissections. These hands-on experiences provide invaluable practical insight into the human body's intricate design, enhancing your overall comprehension. To truly embed your anatomy knowledge, focus on application and retention strategies. Always relate anatomical structures to their physiological functions. Understanding why a structure is shaped a certain way helps recall. Practice identifying structures on diagrams and models frequently, aiming for at least 20 minutes daily. Develop mnemonic devices for complex terms or lists, as these memory aids are incredibly effective. Finally, try teaching concepts to a peer. Explaining material to someone else is one of the most powerful ways to solidify your own understanding.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.